Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. Today I'm going to show you guys a free plugin that sounds a lot like a SansAmp. It actually looks like one too. Show you guys how to use it, what it sounds like, and also where you can go download it for free and how to install it. Okay, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, so here we are in GarageBand. Here is the DI bass track, and I've got a bass amp on it, and here is the free plugin I'm going to be showing you guys. It's the TSE Audio. It's by TSE Audio. It's the Pod Bass Overdrive. It looks just like a SansAmp, and it sounds like one too. Okay, so first off, let me just let you guys hear what it sounds like with it on and with it off, the difference, and then I'll show you guys how to download it, where to go download it, and how to download it, and how to install it, and all that good stuff. So let's do this. All right, so this is what the bass track sounds like with just the bass amp without the plugin on it. Okay, this is with the plugin. With the whole mix. Pretty cool. I mean, dude, it sounds just like a SansAmp. If you ever used one before, it looks like one and it sounds like one. It gives it a lot of punch and it just cuts through the mix really good, okay? A lot of grit, a lot of clank, you know? And so I'll show you guys how to dial this in just a second and how to set it up, but I'm going to first show you guys where we can go download it for free and how to install it safely and the right website to download it from, okay? So let's go and let's do this first right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go straight to Safari, and then I believe I have the website TSE. Okay, here it is. So yeah, you can look it up this way, or I will leave in the description. I will actually leave. You can just go and paste it, copy it straight in. But this is just, you can see it right here. It's TSE audio.com. This is the right website you want to get it from. Make sure you get it. Don't get it from some like strange website, because it can have viruses. It could be really bad for your computer and for you. So this is the one you want to get it from, and you're going to see right here, it's the pod. Go ahead and click on this bad boy here, and you're going to see right here. Okay, so if you're watching GarageBand, most likely you're on a Mac. Okay, so you're going to want to choose Mac OS X installer here. And just say you're a Windows person, you happen to see this video, you can do the same thing right here and install it in your Windows. Okay, so just click on this bad boy. It's going to bring it up to this guy right up here, and then once it's downloaded, you can just you see it right here. You can go to your Finder, find it there, and then you can right click on that, and then you can open it up with installer. Okay, and once you do that, they'll just ask you to agree. Actually, first off, just to let you know, it will probably say warning. It's not we don't know the site. Your Mac doesn't recognize it, and that's because it's just not an Apple product. I don't know how to explain that right, but this is definitely a trusted website, and it's this pod has been used throughout for a long time now, let's put it that way. So you can see I'm using it here. So what you can do then is when that warning comes up, it'll ask you if you want to leave it alone or throw it in the trash. Just hit done. It'll say done, I believe. And what you'll have to do is you'll have to go down your system settings, and you have to go to privacy right here, and then you scroll all the way down. You'll see, I think right around here, there'll be something saying, hey, it's blocked. Do you want to okay this? And you click yes and okay it. Okay, and that's when you'll go back to your Finder and look up you can type it in. I believe it's in my trash right now. Yeah, it's in my trash right now because I've already installed it. But so look like this, and you just right click again and hit installer, and then you just say yes, I want to install it then, and then you just agree all the stuff. It will install it, and then once you've done that, you're going to go back to your make sure that you restart your GarageBand. I always restart my computer, but you can just quit your GarageBand, completely quit it, turn it off, restart it, and then it should be ready to use. So then you'll go down in your plugins, and you'll find it under TSE Audio, and that's the pod right there. Okay, and Once it's there, it looks like this, and then you're ready to roll. Okay. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to show you guys. So this is kind of how this works. Okay, so this is the blend. This is how much of your DI, your plain DI track gets through, and how much it is affected by the plugin. Okay, so this is about 50%. This is about 60%. You can see this is all the way down, all the way up. So I like about 60%. You want some of that DI track to come through so it can hit your bass amp, but you don't want that full pedal hitting the bass amp. Okay, I mean you can, but it's not going to be the best thing for mixing later. It sounds cool, but it's just not the best for mixing. Anyway, so the blend, I leave about there. The level, you can turn that up. Let me hit play and I'll kind of mess with some of these things. But real quick before I do that, so the drive, obviously that's going to give you more grit. Your low is going to give you your low ends, but the highs, if you crank those, that's going to give you more clank, you know, clanky clank. I love clank, okay? And then their presence will give it the real brightness, okay? So again, let me hit play real quick so you guys... And another thing I want to tell you is, so it might be a little quiet. So I always use this final output here to turn it up to give the level a little bit. And I use my MV Meter 2, which is a third-party plugin, also a free third-party plugin. You can check out my channel, Thanks GarageBand. It's a VU meter. It'll tell you how loud things are, so your DI level's hitting your plugins correctly, and each plugin's hitting the other plugin correctly. Okay, so I have other videos showing how to use that. So anyways, again, I hope this is helpful. I have other videos like this. If you want to check them out, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. Yeah, again, I'm Jeremy Hawes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys. I know that